You run this brush back into it a couple times real hard. And it will probably, because she needs to be lubricated. Seems like my dad was always lubricating ours. Clipper oil. Oh yeah, Prissy, look at here. I'll go get your bone, Prissy. I'll go get your bone.
No, that's fine.
Okay. I'll get the bone then. I'll fix me another one of those apple pies. It's so weird. Is that okay if I went after her with the scissors?
You're at home with the leg with it.
That's a good little puppy. We got a fire in the fireplace here.
These specials are not doing that.
Prissy! Oh, that's a pretty puppy. That's a good puppy. That's a good puppy. That's a good puppy. Oh, you're the sweet puppy. Smile for the camera. Say, I'm here at Desert Shield sitting on the beanbag. I want to tell all my friends back home, send doggy biscuits. And pieces of bacon. Make sure they're cooked about medium.
No!
I have to put the date in here. 11/16, is that right? See how much puzzle they got done?
What can we do if you want to get this camera off?
Oh man, we should got a picture. I like to take a picture of the food and somebody be watching this and they'll be real hungry.
Get lost too. Good idea.
Now let's take a picture of this hard-working lady here. Oh, look at this.
Really getting it.
See how the fire's doing. She's doing pretty good on the fire. She's in charge of the fires tonight. I wonder what that's going to look like on the thing.
I'm going to turn the TV off, okay? See?
Let me see what the score is. It was pretty close a while ago. I may have to let Renee take you home while I watch the finish of the game.
No way,
I think this is a halftime of doing what happened in the previous game. That the game's over.
Yeah, that's good.
All these rocks that goes up in there.
And it feels like a natural look to it.
But all those rocks like that will keep it from washing the ground away from it. Well, you get water in a curve, you have to have rocks to hold the bank. And you know you don't have to worry about it on the left side.
So you're putting up the super like that.
Irrigation I tried my best. I'll be able to do that. There's no trouble thing. It's causes just to dam up here.
Okay.
If that water allowed to run together.
You sawed it in half, I bet you get it out there. Pull that other end back up.
Well, it's a problem that they came with the roots.
Yeah, all that.
The structure of the roots is the problem, not the rate of consumption.
Yeah.
But anyway, the creek that feeds that lake is called Fry's Creek. The creek that comes down to the hill is called Graves Creek. Graves Creek, both of these creeks are on the county map. So anytime you look at Spartanburg County map, you see these two creeks running together. That spot is on every map. This creek here is also divides District 5 and District 6. So when you're on that side, you're in one district, and over here, you're in another district.
Which means you can put your kids in where you want, right?
Well, no, they base it on where their bedroom is.
Are you serious?
If your house is on the line, it's where their bedroom is. That's the law.
Well, you can move their bedroom. They don't know. I didn't know that.
That would be kind of hard to
They
do.
still go. See, really, Gorman's District 6, isn't it?
Right. 6.
Gorman's 6. We're living in District 5. Even if they lived over here in District 6, they wouldn't go to Gorman. They have to go to another street. But it doesn't really matter. We have property in their name over in their father. And that's how it's done.
Like a bigger fan used to be in that.
No comment. Finally.
I'll take you to all walk through it. Taller plant. I've seen them falling because I've been through here with the big car. I drive up and down here a couple times a year with the big car.
I'm starting to work up a sweat here.
For future generations, this is what it sounds like to walk in leaves.
You know what you call this that we're walking on?
Lots of leaves.
What do you call it? There's a word for it called duff.
Duff?
D-U-F-F.
I never heard that.
It's leaves that are accumulated over several years so that it's very soft. You put your foot down.
Really? Who's going to argue with that?
D-U-F-F. It's a good strawberry word.
Get your butt off that duff.
Duff is the stuff that you walk around in the woods.
Da, 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 da.
Yes, she did need to get up. You know, Aunt Mother, she walks 2 miles every morning. She has her little walking shoes, and she gets up every morning and she goes and
Phone right there, there's a section down here. I think it's more or less over there. 10 miles there. Look when they turn.
I was just telling Josie, you know what? That nice here, I love it. It says, look at this, look at that. That's the first time we've ever eaten Well, Ed had teach me how to do it. I didn't know anything about fishing either until I met him. It's amazing the things that we don't know that we have to learn. But we just laugh right at it. We dive off, Ed walk the pontoon boat right over here. We all the kids, everybody would dive off. And every time we dive off the beach, we'd jump off the beach. Sally says, are you leaving me? I thought you were going to come to me. Can I ride you this weekend? I would like to that.
That'd be a good idea. Get everybody on a horse.
Oh, I'd love to go somewhere.
Let's go rent another one so two people would take off for about 30 minutes.
Wouldn't that be neat?
Well, he's
Yeah. In the wintertime, I keep it open, so they will avoid it about this right here.
And I'll leave this with you. Y'all come back down here. Well, I remember, Steve, when Lynn and I and the boys spent a whole day moving rocks around out there, that sanctuary for the dogs. We spent the whole day moving rocks.
That was up high, higher than the base of the house, really.
Yeah.
And there was a cliff right there.
Here we have the Thanksgiving dinner all cooked.
Are you drinking
Yeah.
Look at all those groceries. Here's the master cook. Hi, Mom.
Hi there, Mom.
Look at all those groceries on the table. Look pretty.
pretty flowers here. It is in November.
And are those hibiscus blooming?
Hey, dude. So, where's your exit?
What do you say?
Give thanks unto the Lord. Today is the day after Thanksgiving, November the 23rd, 1990. We're at Steve's, and this is the new tennis court. The lake. Through singing time. Kitty cat! Hey, kitty cat! Hi, kitty! Kitty, kitty! Meow, kitty, kitty! Hi, kitty cat! These are all the Eshelman cats. Out in the sunshine this morning. Hi, kitty, kitty! Hi, kitty, kitty! That's all you can think of. Good morning, Renee. Good morning. How are you?
Cold water and cold shower. It's nice water.